And here she is. Here she is. She's here with some more baby. And here we are at the Falls of Dochart Inn. Next to
the Falls of Dochart, would you believe?
Exactly, yeah. And how beautiful is this place, Rooty?
Gorgeous. Been here a couple of times, but
Sorry?
we've been here a couple of times.
We have, and we love it, don't we?
We do.
It's absolutely wonderful. All right, Rooty Doody. Look behind you. All right, Rooty Tooty.
Yep.
What are we up to now?
Well, we've had a very lazy Sunday.
We have, haven't we?
We have. And it's now 3:20.
We're just going for a wee
Just
tootle.
going for a wee tootle.
Probably drop down to Loch Tay to have a wee gander.
Yes, and
Yes.
then have a wee tootle round Killin.
Killin, yeah. Go get some supplies maybe.
Yes.
Maybe a nice bottle of beer for Stoozer. It's going to be rain later, isn't it?
It is.
But not at the moment. It's going to stay dry for the next 3 hours, hopefully.
It's not cold though.
No. Well, after a very relaxing morning in the campervan, we decided to go for a wee tootle on our bikes in the afternoon. Our destination was the shoreline on the west side of Loch Tay, where we enjoyed some really nice single track to Sandy Island. There's a beach. Rooty, slow down. Slow down, it's slippy sand. Careful. I nearly went flying. I went too fast into that sand, my front tyre went. How nice is this?
Lovely. Definitely.
Rooty, you look a wee bit flustered about something. What is it, darling?
Well, some people are just so bike unaware, aren't they?
Yeah.
See that foreign couple back there?
Yes.
Nothing against foreigners, obviously.
Oh no,
but
don't be racist now.
honestly, they were like, rather than step to one side and let me pass,
Yeah.
they were like going, oh, which you gotta go? Oh God! Eventually, I had to get off, and I said, oh.
Why don't you just? I know. Why don't they just stand still and let the bike go around them?
So why don't they just stand still?
I know.
And let me go around them
It's very frustrating.
instead of going, oh.
All right, Rooty Doody. Look behind you.
Gorgeous, isn't it?
What a view. Rooty. Look at that view. This beautiful beach. Hello. 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 Here she comes. Rooty tooty. There she is. I haven't had so much fun on a single track in ages. This has been awesome. Well, that was a really nice experience and a wonderful jaunt along the west shoreline of Loch Tay, and some very natural single track running alongside the bank of the River Lochay. That set us up nicely for a couple of beers at the Killin Hotel, which has a really nice beer garden. It was actually nice and warm today, but a bit windy, so fortunately the beer garden has some shelters overlooking the river. Here she comes. With some amber nectar. Ooh, a well-deserved beverage after a wee bike ride, eh?
Can you guess what that is?
I don't know what it is. What is it? Tell me, Rooty.
You've got to guess.
I've got to guess. I've got to taste it first.
Yes.
Well, here we go then. Star up Roman.
No.
No? I'm not much of a connoisseur when it comes to tasting lagers. You've got to give me 3 guesses, okay? I've had this one before. It's called Ben Lawers, isn't it, this one?
No. Don't be silly. Begins with S.
I know what it is. 3rd time lucky guess. That's a pint of Shehallian.
It is.
Oh, smoky bacon! Yay, we love smoky bacon. Thank you, Rooty.
Thank you. You paid for it.
No, but thank you for fetching it.
Oh. Did I get a tip?
Yes. Yes, you can do that more often. But pay next time. That's my tip. And so, after a very relaxing time in the beer garden at the Killin Hotel, we decided to ride through the village of Killin and visit the Falls of Dochart Inn for some more beer. Right, what are you having? Hey, and here she is. Here she is. She's here with some more bevy. And here we are at the Falls of Dochart Inn, next to
The Falls of Dochart, would you believe?
exactly. Yeah. And how beautiful is this place, Rooty?
Gorgeous. Been here a couple of times, but
Sorry,
we've been here a couple of times.
we have, and we love it, don't we?
We do.
It's absolutely wonderful. Oh my goodness, Rooty, this lager is just delicious. What is it?
It's the Falls of Dochart lager.
Falls of Dochart lager. Wow, that is something else. It really is.
You enjoying it there?
Oh yes. All right, Rooty. All right.
This will be
What
interesting.
does it feel like?
With a 6'5" glump.